Good afternoon. Hello. It is a scorcher out there today, and I wanted to offer up a cool, simple salad recipe. So let's go. I've already taken the liberty of pre-prepping this stuff just to save you guys the time. I've peeled the hard-boiled eggs. I've rinsed the microgreens. I have peeled the organic cucumber. So I'm going to just get right into it and try to save time and let you know what I'm doing as I go. I like to grab the greens, whether it's microgreens, spinach, whatever greens that you feel most comfortable eating. They should be the base of your salad, honestly. I try to grab it and almost roll it like a cigar or a cigarette or whatever you think, and I just get it real lean and just cut it across. And just toss that all into the bowl. Next, I do a little cucumber, which I must have in any salad that I have, or I don't consider it a real salad without cucumber and tomato, avocado, or guac. So here, my best way, honestly, is like this. I cut it in half. I'm showing you guys the secrets, okay? Around the middle. And just go across. Cutting them into fours. Get all this cucumber in here. Try to do it in a timely fashion, respect everybody's time, even though wherever you go, you usually see people arched over just looking at their phone. They have no idea what anyone's looking at, but I'm sure whatever it is, it's important to them, so we leave it at that. Keep our judgments to a minimum. So I'm making this healthy living salad. It's alive because all of the vegetables in there contained within. I've got some seasonings I'll be adding shortly. I'm going to cut up this tomato, add some shredded carrots and seeds, and we should be in business, friends. Alright, got the cucumbers in there. I like to add a little cilantro. You don't need to add this. It is a superfood. I know it is an acquired taste, just like avocado with the texture, or guacamole, however you like having it served. You don't need to have anything in here. You might have a 2-ingredient salad, but I just want to make sure we're covering for everybody here. Alright, next we're going to go to the tomato. Just cut it in half. Let's cut it over. And if you want extra tomato slices or bites in there, you can cut it in half again. And just kind of let that do its thing. Flip the tomato over. Slice, slice, slice. Bring it around. Cut it once. Cut it twice. 3 times a tomato. Alright, no more terrible dad jokes. Get the last of the seeds in there. We're moving right along here. Give me 1 second to wipe my hands with a paper towel. Right. Moving right along, we're going to grab some shredded carrots, usually organic. Not trying to show off the 365 brand, just happen to be using them at the time, in all honesty. Alright, got the carrots in there. We are going to start trying to dry off the cutting board a little bit. It's always acceptable. Get all of the juices from the cucumber and the tomatoes so it doesn't get in your way while you're trying to do your thing. Alright, let's add some eggs. Can be really simple with these and just cut them in half. My wife prepared them awesomely. I was just trying to rush for the video in terms of like peeling them and stuff, so that's my bad. There we go. Got the eggs in there, and now we are gonna go and get some seasonings. So we've got some ground cumin. Got celery salt.